Today is Saturday, June 25 of 2022. It is day 341 of web development, and today I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I'm just gonna go with it. I really don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna. Oh, you know what? I do know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do like some sort of like Flexbox grid type of thing. Alright, so let me do my body tags. So I think I'm gonna do like a card type of thing. Let me think. So I'm gonna have my container. I'm gonna give it a class called container so that I could target it in my CSS, and I'll just do container and then give it a property of a border property, and then the values of 5 pixels black and a solid lined border. And then I'll give the container a height of 100 vertical height of the screen, VH, that's what it stands for. And then I'll go into the container and I'll give it some cards. So I'll do probably like, let me think. I think I'm gonna do a card container. Okay. And so I'm just gonna copy this down here and just change it to card container. Ocean man, take me by the hand. And then I'll probably give it a I'll give it display flex, and then I'll justify content center and align items center so that it's at the center. And then I'll give it a certain width of maybe 600 pixels and then a certain height of 600, maybe not 600 pixels, maybe 400 pixels, something like that. And then inside the card container I'm gonna do some other cards. So I'll do div class card 1, oops, and then I'll do like I don't even know what I want to do. Not card 1, let's just give it a class of card and then an ID over here of card 1, and then over here an ID of card 2, and then just copy this. Hold on. Copy. Hello? What's going on with this thing? Hello? Did you just see what that? I'm so lost right now. Okay, card 3. And then I'm gonna do card 4. So 4, no, it's 3, 4, 5. So I need another one. Card 5. But here's the thing. In the card container, there's gonna be div class like card set 1. And that's gonna hold cards 1 and 2. And then there's gonna be a div class card set 2, and that's gonna hold card 3, 4, and 5. So the way that's gonna work is, let me go over here. So card set 1 is gonna have a border, 5 pixels blue solid, and then card set 2 is gonna have a border of 5 pixels pink solid. And then what was I doing again? Oh yeah, I'm gonna set it up as a grid. So I'll take the card container and I'll do display grid, and then I'll tell it to have 2 columns, so grid template columns, and I'll do a 1FR so that it separates the card container to 2 equally spaced columns, or the equivalent to that would be repeat 2 times 1FR. Alright, and then I'll do, I won't do a grid gap. Anyway, so card set 1. So let me actually give all my cards a border. Hello. 5 pixels, orange. Actually, I'll just do black because it's inside other colored container. If I could actually spell the word, Jesus. Alright, that's horrifying. Let's give each card a height, oh my god, of 100 pixels. Okay, that's good. So here's the dealio. Oh, I know what I want to do. Okay, so how to do this. So card set 2, I probably wanted to have a display of flex, and then to have the flex direction be columns, so it could be on top of each other, all of the cards, instead of like, because flex direction is set to row automatically, so that's why they're next to each other. Hello? Is it because I never gave it a width? Oh, how rude. Literally so disrespectful. Like, what is going on right now? Card set 2, flex direction, row? I'm so confused. Hello? What happened? I'm so confused. Let me do Control S. Literally, girly doesn't know what just happened right now. Like, what is going on right now? Interesting. Anyway, okay, I guess we'll just start with card set 1. So I'll do card 1, and I'll give it a height of 50%. And then I'll do the same thing for card 2. Actually, can I just do like comma hashtag card 2? Yeah, I can. Okay, great. And then, let me think. What was I gonna do again? I forgot. I was gonna do something and I forgot. I genuinely forgot what I was gonna do. Oh, the card 2 set. Okay, I can't even talk. The card set 2. I wanted to have a display of flex, but then I needed to have, okay, display flex direction column, and then just, are you serious? Now it wants to work. Justify content space around or space between. There we go. Okay, yeah, that's what I wanted. Maybe I want another card. What do I think? Do I want another card? I think I do. Let's do one more and see how that looks like. That's literally horrifying. Okay, we're not doing that. Let's go back. Alright, let's see. So the height of this card container, not the card container. We need to set the height over here to be the min content. Yeah, that messes things up, doesn't it? That's great. But it wouldn't mess things up over here. But it is already min content. I don't know. This thing is so weird. Okay, doesn't really matter. Okay, let me go to Unsplash and try to find some nice images. Okay, maybe just wallpapers. I don't really care. Or not. I like textures and patterns. Alright, let me right click, copy image address, go back. Where am I right now? Okay, over here. So for specifically card 1, I could always just change this later, but I'm going to give it a background URL, paste that in there, and then I give it a background size of cover, so the image covers the entirety of its container, which is the card. And then I'll probably do background position of bottom, so it's, or maybe center, so you can see a lot of the center here. There we go. That's so ugly, but it's fine. Let me go and find something else. Maybe something like this. Right click, copy image address, and then just copy, actually let me just paste that in there, and then copy this, paste that in here, and then do card 2, and just copy this, and just delete that, and then just paste that in there, and then get another image, and figure my life out. Okay. Right click, copy image address. Jesus, let me just close this stuff. Did I do this already? Yeah. Okay, there we go. Paste that in there. Take this. Paste this in here. Card 3. Take this. Copy this in. Delete that. Okay. This is ending up. Actually, I don't even want to do this anymore. It looks so ugly. Oh my god. It's like the most horrid thing I've ever seen in my life. Like, what is this? Ugh. Yuck. Like, what is this? Don't tell me I gave it to... I'm so confused. You know what? I don't care. Okay, moving on. Ooh, I like this one. Ocean man, take me by the hand. Copy this, change the URL. Go up here to find another image. These are absolutely not related. What now? Okay, this is horrible. So if I go here, right, and I just get rid of all of the borders and all the borders and all the borders and just get rid of that. That looks literally horrifying. Okay, let's go to the card container and give it a grid gap of 1 EM, which is 16 pixels, so that separates things a little bit. Give each card a border radius of 20 pixels. That's literally horrifying. Okay, how about 5? This is so bad. Oh my god, I can't even right now. Card set 1 has to have what's this here? Let me just delete that. Really? This is so annoying. Okay, what if I just do display flex? Oh, Jesus Christ, what did I do? And then just do flex direction column. And then do justify content space between. Justify. There we go. But then each card. There we go. Okay, but then how do I do a flex grid gap in Flexbox? Oh, so there is a gap. Nice. That's a new skill I learned today. That's great. I think I already learned it. I just completely forgot. Alright, how about we do 300 pixels? Jesus Christ, 200? Really? 100? Like, tell me how that works. Alright, I just needed to see. Alright, so maybe for the card container we can have a height of 600. Also, to have something like that and something like a width of 1,000. And then maybe the card can be something like 220. Or not. Okay, much better. And then let's see, let me find some better images. So let me do copy image address. I already have that, so let me get more of those. Something towards that theme. Ew. Much better. Alright, let me just pick one more. And just replace the last one. Okay, that's beautiful. Alright, that's much better. It's giving theme. Alright, now I'm going to go to the card container and give that beautiful lady some padding. So maybe 20 pixels. So there's space. Alright, and then I'll give it, let's say, a background. Let me go to colors. Yuck. Actually, I like it. Okay, hold on. Do I want to do... Okay, I want to do the body. I can give it a background of that color. And then just take this color and make that the card. Where's my code? Okay. Give this a background of that. What the color? Okay. Save that, reload. That's what we have so far. And then I'll give the card container a border radius of 20 pixels. Okay. And then for each card, I want when each card goes through like a hover state, when they're hovered over, I need them to have a position relative to their previous position, and then from the top go -2 pixels. Get out. Okay, what is this? Okay, and so when I hover over it, now you can see that it moves. Okay, pretty. And then I also want to do something. No, is it gonna take too long? I feel like it's gonna take too long. I wanted to do kind of like an overlay. No, I could do it. Alright, let me go to each card, right? So each card is going to have a div class overlay, and it's going to have just, for now, it's just going to have in each one, it's going to be like, the first one is going to be like, houses, estates, let's say London, or like, okay, I'll do like London estates, and then I'll do Moab, no, let me do Dubai. That's definitely not Dubai, but we're just gonna go with it. And then let's see, what else am I doing again? Oh, this one. Okay, so let me just, did I just do this? I meant over here and then do like Dubai. Please tell me I spelled Dubai right, because that would be like my last straw. Okay. Alright, and then put that in here also, and here also, and then card 5, and then just change it to maybe something like, dining. I don't even know what this is, like what this page would be for. Dining pieces, board rooms, dining, well, let's do dining halls, board rooms, and then like dwelling rooms or something. I don't even know, I don't care. Alright, so now if I go over here and I do like the overlay, make sure it has a background of a linear gradient of RGBA 0.77, 0.77, 0.77, 0.7, and then paste that in there, and then that should happen, and then any day now would be great. Linear gradient RGBA 0.77, 0.77. Now what? Because I couldn't even spell it right. The day I spell something right is the day I'll give everybody $1 billion. Alright, okay, what am I doing again? I forgot. Okay, so I needed to take the height 100%. This container. Why is it like that? So weird. Oh, not this again. Not this again, please. Why does it do this to me? Why? Just tell me why. That would be great. Oh, you know what? Oh my god, I have an idea. Actually, no, it doesn't make sense. It's gonna have display, flex, justify, content center, align item center, justify content, align centers it horizontally, align item center centers it vertically, and then the color can be white so I could actually see it, and the visibility is going to be hidden for now, and then when we hover over the card, when we do .card hover, what's also going to happen is that the overlay, the visibility is going to become visible. Save that, reload, and now that is what we have so far. Alright, and then I'm just going to get rid of the container border and the border for the card container, and then we should have something more nicer to look at. Alright, and that's it for today. Isn't it so beautiful? It's so satisfying. Okay, bye.